This is a used 2006 Cadillac CTS, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, leather seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, memory seats, a premium sound system, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.